up, YouTube? In the last video, we germinated some seeds for planting some pepper seeds, just like that. And in this video, we're gonna plant these germinated pepper seeds in the soil. What you're gonna need is your germinated pepper seeds. Got all the ones from last video: Dragon's Breath, Red Habanero, Hungarian, and some ghosts. Some labelers, a marker, a seedling tray. You could get this from Amazon. I'm pretty sure you can get it from other places too. It comes with the lid. Anyways, it's been about 14 days to 15 days since I started germinating these. I did the ghost peppers already. They was pretty good. They was pretty germinated. Let's start with the red habaneros next. You don't need to do too many, because one of these is going to be a full plant and it takes up quite a bit of space unless you have the space available. I'm doing 3 of each and I'll probably only use one. So I'll open up this moist towel that you had from the last video. You know they're germinated when you could see the little white root coming out of there. So you're gonna take one of your labelers and you're gonna go in right in the middle, about a ½ inch. And you're gonna put your germinated seed, white stem side down, boom, cover them up. After that, go ahead and label them. I'm gonna label them red hop. Put them in. And then you just repeat the process till you're done. Dragon's Breath. You're gonna need to water them just a bit. The soil was already moist, so I'm just gonna take my water faucet and put it on drip. Light drip, even lighter than that even. Go ahead and top it off. I only need to top it off with water because after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and take my tray, and on the bottom, I'm gonna fill the bottom up halfway. That way it's gonna feed into the soil some water. Boom. In a couple days or so, you'll be seeing some seedlings sprouting out.